Welcome to your new 2025 Toyota Camry. To get the most enjoyable experience out of every drive, let's get you set up with our top technology features. First, turn on your phone's Bluetooth and make sure the vehicle is in an open area with good signal strength. After selecting your preferred language, enter your mobile number to receive a link to download the Toyota app. If you're installing the app and creating a new account for the first time, you may be asked if you want to let the app use Bluetooth. Tap Allow. Next, tap Register to create your Toyota app account. You can create an account using an existing Apple, Google, or Facebook account, or you can register your account by entering your information manually. For security purposes, a 6-digit activation code will be sent to the number used to register. Once received, you can tap the activation code displayed on your keypad to verify your account. If available, you can turn on your phone's facial recognition technology to quickly access your account. Feel free to take an optional tour of the app or skip for now. On the app's landing screen, select Add a Vehicle. You'll now be asked to enter your Camry's VIN. You can either scan the VIN from the app using your smartphone camera, or you can enter it manually. Once your VIN has been entered or scanned, scan the QR code on your screen to complete the connection. Your phone should now display your new Camry. Confirm your vehicle, create an optional nickname, and select your preferred dealership for future maintenance. When you're done, tap Save Changes and create a security PIN for your new account. The next screen will list your available connected services trial subscriptions designed to provide a safer and more customizable driving experience. Tap Continue to proceed to the terms of use for connected services and master data consent, and tap Accept. Keep in mind that this is the only way to take advantage of these complimentary trial subscriptions, and you won't be automatically charged or enrolled after the trials end. Once you've enrolled in your connected services trial subscriptions, tap Confirm and Continue to move forward to finish setup. Your Camry is now linked to your Toyota profile and should appear on your app's dashboard. On the vehicle touchscreen, tap I've completed app setup. You're now ready for the next step: Bluetooth pairing and smartphone connectivity through wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Before we start, please remember that setting up a new Bluetooth device cannot be done while the vehicle is in motion. Immediately after you've linked your Toyota app profile to your vehicle, the audio multimedia system will automatically prompt you to begin Bluetooth setup. To start, check that your phone has Bluetooth enabled and tap Yes. Next, tap Search for Devices and select your phone from the list of available devices found. Now, from your phone's Bluetooth settings, find and select your vehicle from the list of available devices. The touchscreen and your phone should both show the same 6-digit code. If the numbers match, tap Pair on your phone and OK on the head unit to create the connection. After your phone is connected to your vehicle via Bluetooth, the system will automatically ask if you'd like to enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Simply tap Yes, and eligible apps will be mirrored on your touchscreen. To change audio sources, return to the Toyota multimedia system. For Apple users, tap the diagonal arrows in the top left-hand corner of the touchscreen. This will expand to reveal the Toyota Audio Multimedia menu, where you can tap the feature you want to access. Switching back to Apple CarPlay is just as easy. Simply tap the Apple CarPlay icon in the top left corner to return. If you're an Android user, tap the Toyota icon on the Android Auto interface to be brought to the Toyota Audio Multimedia system. Just as with Apple CarPlay, you can return to Android Auto by tapping the icon in the top left corner of the touchscreen menu. Now, let's return to the Toyota Audio Multimedia system and change the audio source. If you weren't automatically brought to the now playing screen, you can easily access it by tapping the music note icon on the left-hand menu. This now playing screen will show you what is currently playing no matter the audio source you're using. From here, tap Sources to see your options like radio, Bluetooth, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. Select Radio to choose between FM, AM, or Sirius XM. When you find a station you like, select the station and tap the heart in the top right corner to add it to your favorites. To tune to a favorite, tap the tile of the saved radio station. You can also change to a favorite channel by pushing the previous and next buttons on the steering wheel. Bear in mind that the steering audio controls will only cycle through your saved collection of favorites. To explore channels, tap the radio source you'd like to browse, like FM radio. You can scroll and select a preferred genre to be presented with stations in that category. You can also scroll through stations by tapping channel up or down on the touchscreen. If you are an Apple Music or Amazon Music subscriber, you can connect your existing subscriptions to use the vehicle's integrated streaming capability through a trial subscription or a paid connected services plan. To take advantage of this feature, access your Toyota profile and settings and tap Linked Accounts. Select the service you'd like to connect and follow the steps to link your existing Apple Music and/or Amazon Music subscriptions. Once connected, when you tap Sources, you can select integrated streaming for a more enhanced multimedia experience specifically optimized for driving. Another way to change audio sources is to use the voice assistant. For example, "Hey Toyota, tune to 90.1 FM.
Tuning to 90.1 FM.
You can also call the voice assistant with the touch of a button. Simply tap the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. Your voice assistant can do a lot, like making calls, adjusting climate controls, turning your music volume up and down, and more. With a Drive Connect trial subscription, you also have access to Intelligent Assistant, which uses cloud technology to process more complex demands and questions like, "Give me today's weather," or "What did Toyota stock close at yesterday?" To access Intelligent Assistant, tap the push-to-talk button. Find the closest Starbucks.
The closest Starbucks is Starbucks of Dallas, Texas. Would you like to go now?
Because the Intelligent Assistant uses machine learning, the more you use it, the better it will recognize your unique voice and patterns over time. As an added tip, be sure to wait for the tone before giving voice commands, and make sure you're speaking clearly into the driver's side microphone. In addition to Intelligent Assistant, an active Drive Connect trial or subscription provides you with cloud navigation. Tapping the tilted arrow icon, you can quickly access Toyota's cloud navigation from the Toyota Audio Multimedia System. The maps in Toyota's navigation system use multi-touch gestures, allowing you to create a 3D view of the area as well as zoom out and zoom in. And for the best user experience, regularly wipe down the touchscreen with a clean microfiber cloth. There are a few options to search for destinations. The first is Intelligent Assistant, which can be called with the phrase, "Hey Toyota," or by tapping the push-to-talk button on your steering wheel. Alternatively, when parked, you can search for your location using the keyboard. Tap the search icon on the map, which will launch the voice assistant. From there, tap the keyboard icon to type in your desired location. Once you've found the location you're looking for, you can save it to your favorites by tapping the heart icon. Later, when you want to revisit the location, tap on the search icon followed by Destinations. From there, tap Favorites and select your destination. Remote Connect makes vehicle ownership easier by allowing you to control and monitor your Camry from your phone using the Toyota app. From the app landing page, you can press and hold lock, unlock, or start, and your vehicle will complete the command within about 10 seconds. Switching from the remote tab to status will let you know the current condition of your vehicle, such as whether your doors are locked or your tire pressure is low. The Health tab contains information about safety recalls, vehicle alerts, and more. When you're in need of maintenance, tap the service icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you can set up a service appointment with your preferred dealer or call roadside assistance. You can tap the shop icon to monitor and manage your vehicle's trial and paid subscriptions, shop for parts and accessories, or get a quote for a personalized insurance offer. You're now ready to drive off in your new Camry. Enjoy the ride.